Flying birds. Parrot. The parrot can repeat what we say. Parrot, isn't it cool? Sparrow. The sparrow is small and cute. Sparrow. Pigeon. The pigeon coos softly. Pigeon. Crow. The crow calls loudly. Crow. Woodpecker. The woodpecker makes small holes in the tree. Woodpecker. Bat. The bat hangs upside down in the cave. Bat. Swan. Nightingale. The nightingale can sing beautifully. Nightingale. Owl. It's getting dark. The owl is awake at night. Review. Bat. Crow. Nightingale. Parrot. Pigeon. Owl. Sparrow. Woodpecker. Swan.